Welcome to our channel. If you're switching carriers while keeping your phone number, follow these step-by-step instructions to port numbers successfully. Step 1. Verify your number is eligible for porting by checking with both carriers. Most numbers can transfer, but prepaid numbers may have restrictions or require active service. Step 2. Gather account information from your current carrier, including account number and PIN. Call customer service or check online account settings to find these required details. Step 3. Ensure your current account is in good standing with no past due balance. Carriers can refuse porting requests if accounts have unpaid bills or are suspended. Step 4. Order service with your new carrier and request number porting during sign-up. Provide your current phone number, account number, PIN, and billing zip code accurately. Step 5. Do not cancel service with your old carrier before porting completes. Canceling first releases your number, making it impossible to port and forcing you to get a new number. Step 6. Keep your old phone active during the porting process. Porting typically takes 2 to 24 hours, and your old phone needs power and signal for the transfer to complete. Step 7. Verify service on your new carrier once porting notification arrives. Test making calls, sending texts, and using data to ensure everything works before considering the process complete. Step 8. Contact the new carrier immediately if porting fails or delays exceed 24 hours. Representatives can troubleshoot issues and manually complete ports that get stuck in processing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.